Do you know that funnel have Igbo name? Yes. Ndị Igbo nwere a na-akpọ funnel n'olu asụsụ Igbo. I know you don't know. Everybody don't know. Not everybody knows it. It'll be like funnel, funnel, funnel. So today, I'm going to tell you, I'm going to teach you what our people, my Igbo people, what we call funnel. N'asụsụ Igbo. N'asụsụ Igbo. Ndị be anyị na-akpọ ya mbalaga. Our people call funnel mbalaga, ndị Igbo. So tell us on the comment section what your people call funnel in your language, in your dialect. Yes, my own side call it mbalaga, but other part of Igbo, I bet they